Okay, hi, we're back. So we just finished coding this matching game using index, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, but now we want to make it a website, and that is super easy to do using GitHub Pages. So we just go to Settings, then we go to Pages, and then we go to Main, and then we go, so it says GitHub Pages is currently disabled. Select a source below to enable GitHub Pages for this repository. So you can have your website on different branches, but we just have it on the main branch. And so we just save here, and then you can add a custom domain to go here. It should just be, let's see if I can remember the URL, alisonlaw.github/matching-game. Think it's gonna work?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Let's see.
It
worked. Yeah. And that's how you publish your game on a website. So now we can go ahead and share this with Dad, or we can text it to our friend Lucy, and so she can play it too. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll keep playing, but we'll say bye for now.
Yeah.
Bye.